Assalamu alaikum everyone. I have bought a new recipe for you all guys, and it is called cheese pasta, which I will be making in LG microwave oven. So let's get started and check out this beautiful recipe. So here I have taken the pasta. In it we'll be adding water, add some salt and olive oil to it, and we'll place it on the oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes you can see it is beautifully boiled. You take out the bowl and drain off the water. After that, take another bowl, add some butter onto it and sprinkle some onion to it, and place the pasta and mix them with a fork. After that, we'll be using the pasta masala, which I am taking. It's Smith & John's. Give all the pasta masalas and mix them. After that, I'll be using the Amul cheese slice. And here all the slices are ready, and we'll place it on the oven for 5 minutes until all the cheese gets melted. After 5 minutes you can see the cheese got melted and it's ready to serve. You can have it by making. It's very tasty as well as delicious. Do try and enjoy this lovely recipe. Thank you.